Welcome to Everyday English. Prepositional phrasal verbs. Hello, students. In today's video, we'll explore prepositional phrasal verbs that used in daily English conversation. About, in, at. Think about. To consider or ponder something. Example: I need some time to think about your offer. Talk about. To discuss a topic or subject. Example: let's talk about our plans for the weekend. Worry about. To be concerned or anxious about something. Example: don't worry about the test. You'll do fine. Complain about. To express dissatisfaction or grievances. Example: she always complains about her noisy neighbors. Ask about. To inquire or seek information regarding something. Example: I'll ask him about his travel plans. Care about. To have an interest or concern for someone or something. Example: she genuinely cares about the welfare of animals. Learn about. To acquire knowledge or information about a topic. Example: I want to learn more about ancient history. Forget about. To stop thinking or remembering something. Example: I need to forget about my past mistakes and move on. Dream about. To have thoughts or visions while sleeping. Example: last night, I dreamt about flying. Argue about. To engage in a dispute or disagreement regarding a topic. Example: they often argue about politics. Believe in. To have faith or trust in something or someone. Example: I believe in the power of positive thinking. Result in. To cause a particular outcome or consequence. Example: careless driving can result in accidents. Engage in. To participate or become involved in an activity. Example: they like to engage in outdoor sports. Invest in. To put money or resources into something for potential profit or benefit. Example: it's a good idea to invest in your education. Succeed in. To achieve success. Example: she worked hard and succeeded in her career. Confide in. To share personal or confidential information with someone you trust. Example: he confided in his best friend about his struggles. Specialize in. To focus or concentrate on a specific area or skill. Example: this company specializes in sustainable technology. Participate in. To take part in an event, activity, or discussion. Example: will you participate in the charity fundraiser? Engrossed in. To be completely absorbed or immersed in something. Example: she was engrossed in her favorite book all weekend. Delve in. To investigate deeply or thoroughly into a topic or issue. Example: researchers often delve into complex scientific questions. Laugh at. To find something amusing and express it with laughter. Example: she laughed at the funny joke. Arrive at. To reach a destination. Example: we will arrive at the airport in an hour. Look at. To direct your gaze towards something for observation. Example: look at the beautiful sunset. Stare at. To gaze intently at something or someone. Example: why is he staring at me like that? Point at. To extend your finger or an object toward a specific direction. Example: she pointed at the map to show us the way. Yell at. To raise your voice in anger or frustration towards someone. Example: he yelled at his coworker for making a mistake. Smile at. To show a friendly or pleasant facial expression. Example: she smiled at the children playing in the park. Shout at. To raise your voice loudly at someone or something. Example: please don't shout at me. I made a mistake. Wave at. To greet or signal by moving your hand. Example: they waved at their friends across the street. Glance at. To take a brief or quick look at something. Example: he glanced at the clock to check the time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.